Hi guys, I just thought I'd do a quick video on the shark pattern because I didn't cover that the other day in the other videos. So if you want to see any of the other videos, it's on my channel. Just find that. Right, so I'll just get the normal tool what we use on TradingView, and the shark pattern. Basically, the shark pattern has no the B leg value is not important. I'll show you. I'll just draw it out and I'll show you. So that would come from the X leg to the A leg there. Now the B leg, like I say, is not important, but I will just put it at 50% for just for the sake of the video. Now the next bit is important. This is what makes the shark. The shark. There's only the shark and the cipher that where the C leg can break past the A leg, and the values are these values here. Look, 1.13 to 1.618. So I'll just move this down here to around about the maximum. Let's say just do it to 1.6 there. Now the D point, I'll just put it down for a minute because I want to show you something. It's this figure here what's important, because we've not got a B value. This figure, the B to D and the X to D, this figure. So the way I always do it is like this, look. So this figure here has to be between 1.618 and 2.24. Right? So the way we can do that, we can either use the tool like that and just move it, look at those numbers there, these numbers here, and just move it to the value there. And then what we need to do, we need to check that once we've got that to the 618 there, we need to check that this value falls between that range there, 88.6 to 113, which it does. So that would be valid. But now then, the way to do it with the fibs, because I'll just show you. You want to fib out the B point to the C point. So we just put the fibs on from B to the C. We can just move them over here so we can see them. And you'll see, look, that this point, look, falls at the 1618. Now, the maximum for this value is the 2.24 over up here, look. But if we move this point up to there, we can see now that this value 1.53 has gone way out of the range of this, so that would not be valid. So what we do is we bring this back until this range falls to the maximum there, 1.13. Let's come right back down there. It's about there. So looking at this now, look, this would be his entry range for the shark from the 1.618 to there. So then what we can do is just get our little box or whatever, so we have like the entry zone. Let's move that down there like that. There we have it. Look, that's like the entry zone, which would be valid for this particular pattern. Has to fall between those values and those values. It's those two essentially that you need within those ranges, if that makes sense. Right, I'll oh yeah, and like always, when I've got like this, I will sometimes, you see, this range here could be bigger. Then I would look to the left at the support resistance to see where it best lines up, and then move that accordingly. I will start doing some of these videos actually on the charts soon, so I just wanted to basically, you know, just run over the patterns and the values of it, because the shark is a little bit different, but I hope that made sense. All right, guys, catch you later. Cheers.